Just a quick one today, a bit of a farewell to the Unicorn, the Subaru touring wagon, the one-of-a-kind with the sunroof. Took a while to sell, and then the selling process was rather elongated, but in the end, the old girl left. So I've just got a little bit of footage I've put together from when I picked it up to it leaving up the road. Enjoy. Just temporarily covered it for now. I need to wash it, but I'm not going to wash it tonight and then cover it again, and it'll be dirty in the morning. So I'll wash it in the morning, or whenever the morning is that they're coming. They're supposed to ring me the day before. He reckons tomorrow morning, but no one's rung me. Anyway, I'll just leave it like that until I know.
Just one key, two keys?
One key, mate. I'll probably just put it in the ignition.
And logbooks?
Everything's, there's stuff in the console, in the glove box. And lights on, then you pull the choke out and it'll hold itself.
Yeah.
And then is it in neutral?
Yeah.
Probably doesn't need it, but then it'll automatically turn itself off. But probably, I warmed it up earlier, so it's probably not too bad. There goes a unicorn. If ever I saw one, that was one of them right there. Enjoy, Mr. New owner. Take care of it. Have not heard from the new owner, so hopefully, fingers crossed, the car got there in one good piece and he's happy with it. It's always a bit of a nail biter when you sell it and it's been put on the tubes. You just hope that people are happy with what I have done, what they've paid for. A lot going on in the shed. It's quite crazy at the moment. Progress updates. Mazdas, they are in pieces, both in the garage. Engine out of one. I want to pull it into the new millennium with some updates, throttle bodies, newer ECU and stuff like that. I've still got to do the engine swap, but basically I've got one car, the son's car, down to a shell. That'll be heading off soon. There's also the content on the Forester that I haven't put together yet. Since the last video, we've lost a computer and I've had to transfer data and footage and all that kind of stuff from one to the other. So all of that I thought was sorted, but it's a little bit of a mess. I'm having trouble finding where everything is, and hopefully I've transferred it across before the computer completely died. So I will try and scratch together some footage on the Subaru, the Forester. So we've got Subaru Unicorn sold, Subaru Forester sold. We've got engines out of a Mazda. We've got an engine we've purchased. More to come on that soon. We've got this. It's like I do it to myself every Christmas. I just build up the pressure and I've got things going on everywhere. I've got shit outside, shit inside, fucking cars everywhere. The Hilux is still underway, don't fret, but there's a lot of parts I need to Google and search. and then swallow the pill and purchase. There's tens of thousands of dollars worth of stuff required to do what I'm currently doing. So I want to make sure I choose the right things in my direction forward. I don't want to have to buy something and it's not right, or it's not exactly what I want, and then I've got to fucking buy it again. Like and subscribe, please. Share the video, share the shit out of it, and yeah, we'll catch you next time on Flip My Ride. Find it, buy it, fix it, flip it, have some fun along the way. Remember Russian, we'll catch you next time. Catch up to me more regularly and see what's going on sooner rather than later. Head over to my socials. I'll put them up here somewhere. Where I'm currently doing a lot of work at Gray's Online Auction Yard too. I've been given the go-ahead there to film regular updates on what I call my car quickies. It's like my quick car reviews pre-auction. So head over there and check that out as well. The positive stuff as well as the idiots. Anyway, see ya.